Right, what is good, guys? Hope you are all doing well. So, as you can probably tell, I am no longer in the UK, and I mean, the title probably gives it away, but I am now living in Cyprus. So, me and my girlfriend have been living here for about 4 months now, and that kind of explains the huge gap in between uploading videos to YouTube. Yeah, moving during a pandemic was crazy. So, bit of a backstory. We first came to Cyprus for holiday at the end of 2019, just for like a week getaway. Then my mum actually ended up moving here, because she's been here a few times. She ended up moving here about a month after we had been on holiday. So that kind of got us thinking. Then we came to visit her again in February 2020 just to get a bit more of an idea of what it's like to actually live here. And then that pretty much was the deciding factor. Lockdown as well, surprisingly, was a big contributing factor to us moving here, because remote work, I think a lot of jobs you could actually work online, and the pandemic kind of showed that. So we kind of made the final decision in September 2020. And then the last few months of 2020 were basically just decluttering, selling everything we didn't need, packing up, and then moving. So yeah, like I said, we moved beginning of December, and then it's taken me quite a while to upload a YouTube video because we've had so many shipping boxes and stuff that we just had to sort out. This house was actually an Airbnb, so it's just been a long, slow process of trying to make it our own before I felt kind of comfortable enough to show you around. But I've got to that stage now, so yeah, we're going to go inside and I'm going to show you around. Catch you there. Welcome to the crib. Okay, so this is actually a 3-story villa, although it might only look like 2-story from the road, because the bottom story floor is actually kind of underground. So we'll start with the middle floor, which is basically like the kitchen, living area, and then we'll go up to the bedrooms, and then downstairs we've got the home office and the home gym, and then we'll kind of go outside and show you the patio area. So if you come into the landing first. Okay, so you've got the landing area and then stairs up to the bedrooms, and then the stairs going down to the office and the home gym. So if we come through, you've got a toilet on the first floor, well, the middle floor. Then it kind of opens up into a bit of an open plan living area. So we've got the lounge area with the TV, sofas, beanbag. Most of the furniture here was already in the house, by the way. We haven't actually had to get a lot of furniture, because as I said, it was an Airbnb before we actually moved in. The beanbag is ours though, that was our addition. Then dining room table, then we come round into the kitchen. So we've pretty much replaced all of the appliances with our own, because we did actually ship most of the appliances from the UK, just because they're quite nice and I wanted to keep them. But kind of typical kitchen, probably slightly on the smaller side, but I mean it does the job. So we've got stove, washing machine, dishwasher. Then we do have a door that opens out onto the carport. But yeah, door leading into the kitchen. Then that is actually a double glass door, basically similar to this one, but we don't really have much use for it, so we basically just keep it closed with the blind shut most of the time. But then we've got the one side of the balcony, but we'll go around this way first. So all of the doors are glass sliding doors, and then they have a fly screen, which is quite nice to keep the bugs out in the summer. And then we've got storm shutters on pretty much all of the doors and windows as well, because during winter it does get pretty stormy here. We've had the furniture thrown around the place, so yeah, basically batten down the hatches. So yeah, some nice outdoor furniture here. Excuse all of the washing, just drying at the moment. We just kind of squeeze around. Then we've got kind of like an outdoor little dining table here. And then the barbecue. And then this kind of loops wrap around to the carport. We've got stairs that then go down into our bottom patio. I'll go down through the actual house first before we show you outside, but I'll show you where these stairs end up. If we head back inside. So yeah, that's pretty much the middle floor, and then we're going to head upstairs to the bedrooms next. So got a window that kind of overlooks the road here, a bit of a landing area. So this is actually a 4-bedroom villa, but as you'll see when we go down to the bottom floor, we've converted the 4th bedroom into the home office. But yeah, essentially we've got 3 bedrooms that we've kept as bedrooms for now for when guests arrive. So there's a double bed in here, you have side tables and a dressing table. The nice thing about this house as well, it does have loads of built-in storage, so pretty much every bedroom has huge cupboards. Some of them almost too big, as I'll show you when we get to the main bedroom. So yeah, that's the first bedroom. Then we come through into the main bathroom. But yeah, bath, shower. Then the second guest bedroom, which is 2 single beds. And then we have got a mattress here, which is from the main bedroom, but we did ship our own mattress because we bought an Otti mattress during lockdown in the UK. So shout out to them because that's absolutely a brilliant mattress. I would highly recommend. So the one that was on the main bed in the master bedroom, we kind of just put up against the wall for now because we can't really find anywhere else for it. But yeah, 2 single beds and then a dressing table. Again, loads of built-in storage with all the wardrobes. So I kind of keep all my clothes in here and then head through to the master bedroom, which huge storage space all the way pretty much to the ceiling, which is crazy. But Camilla basically uses this for all of her stuff, so I use the spare room for my clothes. This is an ensuite as well, so if we come round, we have got a full bathroom here with a toilet and a shower, so I'll let you go in and have a look. So, and then a shower tucked around the corner. Yep, and then we do have a balcony off the master bedroom as well. And the view is just absolutely incredible from here. So this pretty much looks directly onto the ocean, and the sun pretty much sets on the sea, which is just incredible. When we moved, the sun was kind of setting over there over the ocean, but it has slowly drifted over. So it's a bit less of a view at the moment, but a few months ago, it literally set directly in front of us, which was just incredible. So if you come over as well, you'll see that's the middle floor patio, which we were on a few minutes ago. Then we do have a communal pool over there, that shared communal pool and gardens, which is awesome. So I suppose the one downside of this villa is it doesn't have its own private pool, but that pool is about 15 meters long, so if, it's actually better for like getting swimming training, which I'll be doing loads of during the summer because yeah, I love swimming. It's good for cardio. Yeah, and then we're going to head back downstairs to the bottom floor, and I'll show you it opens out onto the garden. So a bit of storage at the bottom of the stairs, and then this is kind of all the random bits and pieces that were in the house that we don't really have use for, that were here like when it was used as an Airbnb. And then we come down, then there is a full bathroom on the bottom floor as well, shower, toilet, sink. So technically this floor was actually an annex, so it's like a kind of self-contained unit. So it's got its own bathroom. We'll go through into the main living area in a second, which has kind of a kitchenette. And then this was the bedroom, which is now the office. So this did have 2 single beds in it, which we got the landlady to take away. And then we bought some desks. This we actually shipped from the UK, a Kallax unit from IKEA, which is awesome. Yeah, so basically this is where, because we both work from home, having a home office was obviously very important when we were looking for somewhere to live. So yeah, this is where we spend most of our working day. This does have a glass door. We'll go around this way. Oh, I guess you guys can meet Bambi. So we pretty much adopted her within like 5 days of being here because I saw a Facebook post. Someone couldn't take care of her anymore, so we decided we were going to give her a home. We'd been thinking of getting a cat for a while, but yeah, definitely not within 5 days of moving. But yeah, she's absolutely adorable, so that was a no-brainer. Yeah, then we come through into the downstairs living area, which we've kind of converted into a bit of a home gym. We bought some gym flooring, because this is tiled floors, which is obviously not very good for slamming down weights on. So we had to get some gym flooring. This bench and some of the dumbbells and other equipment we did ship from the UK, but we've managed to get a squat rack and a barbell here in Cyprus, which was awesome, because as it stands, gyms are still closed, which is a bit annoying. They've been closed for like 4 months now. So yeah, it was pretty key to get a decent home gym set up in order to stop myself from going crazy. Yeah, then this is a bit of like a mixed living area. So we've got the kitchenette there. It doesn't have a stove or an oven, but there is a microwave, a sink, kettle, toaster, etc. Loads of storage, mini dining room table as well. Then this sofa was actually up against that wall where the squat rack is, but we don't really have a use for it, so it's kind of just sitting in front of these big glass doors, which is a bit annoying. We might see if we can get this taken away sometime soon. Yeah, so big glass doors that open out onto the downstairs patio, but we'll go around the other door and I'll show you that way. So foosball table as well, which is pretty cool. Then 2 more sofas as well. So this is pretty much where Bambi lives. As you can see, she's got a bed, a little cage and toys and stuff. So this whole floor is basically hers, and then we basically just live upstairs, although she doesn't pay rent. But yeah, let's head outside and I'll show you the patio. Double glass doors here leading outside. Do excuse the really messy patio. We had storms recently and it's kind of blown leaves everywhere, and I just haven't really had a chance to sweep it up yet. But these are the stairs that lead up to the middle floor balcony. Then we've got 4 sun lounges, the aircon units as well, not very exciting. Then we come round, we've got little table and chairs set up here, bigger table and chairs for 6 people here. And then these are the triple glass doors that we saw from inside. And then, yeah, this is our garden. Again, please excuse the garden, it's a bit messy. We've been meaning to get some gardeners in to de-weed it and stuff. But we've got a little gate that goes out there onto the shared communal gardens. And then the pool is literally just there as well. Bit of an upgrade from the 2-bedroom flat we were in Oxford. The crazy thing as well is just it makes such a difference that we actually have outdoor space, because in that 2-bedroom flat that we were living in Oxford, we literally didn't have any outdoor space. And the crazy thing as well, all of this that I've shown you is considerably cheaper than what we were paying in Oxford. So yeah, feeling pretty blessed to be able to call this place home. Yeah, I just wanted to get this video out of the way, show you guys where we're living, let you obviously know that we're not in the UK anymore. So I've got a bunch of other videos lined up, but like I said, I wanted to get this one out of the way before I start uploading different ones. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you enjoyed the house tour, and we'll catch you in the next video. If you're not subscribed already, please do so now. Give this video a like and comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Catch you in the next one. Peace.